this video, we're going to talk about how to use these three functions: lower, upper, and proper. So let's say maybe you are given these names here and you want to correctly capitalize them since I'm not well formatted. Like James starts with small letter J and ends with capital letter E and S. So let's start with James. So let's say maybe you want to use a lower Excel formula. Just type in equal lower, and lower function says it converts all the letters in a text string to lower cases. Highlight the data, press enter. Now notice that James has lower cases. Now you can just extend it. So that's how you can use lower Excel formula. So what about upper? So just type in equal upper. So upper says it converts a text string to all uppercase letters. So highlight the data and enter. So notice that James is in capital letters. Now you can just extend it and autofill it. So that's how you can use upper Excel formula. So what about proper? So just type in equal proper. So it says it converts a text string to proper case, the first letter in each word to uppercase and all other letters to lower cases. So highlight the data, enter. Notice that the word James now starts with capital letter J and the following letters are lower cases. So you can just extend it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting so that others can discover my channel.